Hi, everybody. It is Becky Livingston from Pen Heel Marketing, and today I want to show you something called Magic Switch in Canva. It's a pretty cool little feature, I think. So, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to log into your Canva account. This is a paid feature. What I'm going to do is I'm going to open a blank document. Then I'm going to copy a blog article that I have off my website, and I'm going to paste it in there. So, let me go grab one of my blog articles that I recently did. Let me see if I can find a short one in here. Let's see. Script scrambles. I'll do this AI toolbox one. I'm just going to copy the text. I'm going to drop it in my document. The next thing I want to do is do what's called Magic Switch. It is up here in the top left corner on your desktop. It's called Magic Switch. And what this allows you to do is change things out. So I've got my article here. I'm going to do Magic Switch. I want to transform this into something else. Do I want to transform it into, and I just click the three dots there if you didn't see what I did. I click on the three dots and I can change this into something else. A LinkedIn post, a marketing video script, a project plan, an email. Let's drop this into an email. It's going to transform the document into an email format. That's all it takes. Open the document and it will switch whatever it is. There's my little email. Hope this message finds you well, blah, blah, blah. Fantastic. How can you beat that? It's the easiest hack ever. It's called Magic Switch. Hope you enjoyed that one. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe to our channel. We have a whole bunch of these Canva hacks coming up for your enjoyment. I'll talk with you soon. Have a great day.